Hello, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're gonna draw Lola Bunny from Space Jam. Okay, so since this is kind of a bigger drawing, I'm gonna start by putting some proportions together. So she's gonna have a ball. And her arm's gonna be on her hip. And here's her front leg, and here's her back leg. And she's got an arm there. All right, now that I have that all laid out, I'm good to go. So here we go. Oh, she's got her ears tied back. Very sassy. All right, so we're gonna start by doing her little Lola nose, little triangle. And then we're gonna put a curved line. And then we're gonna put some lines on the side coming up. And then we're gonna draw a little curved line at the bottom. And then we're gonna have a line coming down and down. And then she's got a little chin thing here. And then above her nose, she's got an eye, and it kind of starts with a diagonal line with an arch on top of it and two little curved lines on the inside. And then she has her gorgeous eyelashes. So then little coming over here, diagonal line, curved line, little lashes, little V's kind of, and curved line. There, that looks better with the iris in there. Then on this side, she's got her eyelid, her eyebrow, which is all curved. And then beside that, she's got a line coming down. And then she has a line coming across with a little point on it, and a line coming across. And this is her hair. And then it comes up. She's got great big hair, like 80s hair. It's big. And then it comes out, around, and back down. Then she's got a little hair tie here. So a couple little lines. We'll add that in there. There we go. And then she's got her ears tied back, which looks really uncomfortable. So we've got a little, like an L here. And then we've got another L coming out, and it comes down. And then we've got another line coming out and back. And I'm gonna kind of stop it there. All right. So then for her face, we're gonna start with her neck here. So it's gonna be under her chin. And then we're gonna have a line coming around, zigzag for the side of her cheek, and back in to her eye. Then we're gonna do the same thing over here. It's gonna come around, kind of zigzag for the little fluffy hairs, and back in. Then she's got a little bit of a line coming right here for the side of her face. And then she's got a little bit of eyelid showing right there. And there's her face. Now let's finish her ear. Okay, so we're gonna start with this bottom of her ear that's gonna come around, and then this hooks onto here. And then she's got a little bit of a line right there for the inside. So this is the pink part. All right. Then let's go down to her shoulders. So her shoulder's gonna come out, down, back, like a sideways V. Then the bottom of her arm is gonna start in about the same place, but it's not gonna be quite as angular. Then she's got her torso here, there's a little bump here because that's where her shirt is. And then it just kind of swoops up just beside her neck. And then we have another little swoop for the front of her shirt. And then her, she has kind of a thick line here that's gonna drop down, and then she's got a little shoulder right here, not much. And then her chest comes out and around. Then there's another line down here, and it's gonna curve around back here because she's got her midriff going on. And there is something on her shirt. Let me think here. Oh, I think it says Tunes. So we'll just put it in here. And then that logo has a circle. There we are. And then she's got another accent line down there. All right, we're doing good. So then this comes down and juts out just a little. And then this comes down and juts out just a little. And there's her tummy. And then she's got, you know, like, this is darker brown, this is lighter brown. Okay, now we can do the rest of her ear. So her ear comes behind here just a little bit. And then she's got more ear coming down here in front of her chest. And then it comes back up here behind her shoulder. And then it's got like pink in the middle and brown on the outside. All right. Then we're gonna draw the rest of her arm. Okay, so her arm comes down here and it comes out under her shirt and then comes around, and then this part comes back and back up, and then she has gloves on. Who plays basketball with gloves? And then it just comes out and she's got her finger sticking up because she's swirling a ball because she's so good. And then we just have a J, and then that last J kind of comes around and then comes down. I guess she only has 3 fingers. Okay, then she has a ball. We'll see how perfect I can draw a ball. Probably not. That's not too bad. And then the ball has a line coming down and around and over, coming across with a little arch, coming up and back down. There she is. Oh, she needs her other arm. Okay, so we're gonna start with a little oval. Then we're gonna have a little dip, and then it's gonna come out, and that's her thumb. And then, of course, she has a glove on, so it's gonna come down, back up, like so. And then she's got kind of a palm suggestion. And then we've got 1, oh, she's got 4 fingers on this hand. What a screwy rabbit. Oh, I guess she's got her thumb tucked in there. Yeah, okay, I gotcha. Okay, then, for her shorts, they start by coming around, down, and back around, and then there's another thick line coming around like that, and then she's got her little Lola fluffy tail back here, and then they come down, and then these are kind of behind. She's got her hand on her hip, and then this comes out, down, and then this one comes back up to her hip, and that's kind of a thick line there, and then she's got some lines in her pants a little bit. All right, and now for the legs. Okay, her strong little rabbit legs. Okay, so we're gonna come down like so, come down, and then come back out because she's got her calf. And then this one is gonna come out here, and it's just gonna cross with this and then come back out here. And then her calf. All right, and there is a Lola rabbit on the basketball court. Hey, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.